Welcome everyone. We are Lenduk, and Lenduk is peer-to-peer vehicle sharing marketplace, which helps locals and travelers to easily find the right vehicle. So, what kind of problem do we solve? So, first of all, when people are looking, let's say traveler, looking for a vehicle, they approach Google, which provides tons of links with lots of information. And the user spends so much time just to browse through all these links and just to browsing and finding something. And you can't really compare all this information at that pages at a glance. So the problem is you can't really compare the prices on each website, and you can't really understand the price and how it fits the customer needs. So it shows irrelevant search results. How we solve this problem is that we created a platform which is fast, affordable, and convenient in use. And we're a double-sided marketplace. That's why we have those who can rent the vehicle, and we have those who can share. So we get them from peers, like we say people. So what the benefit for borrower? They're saving lots of time. And the second thing is that they are saving their money, because we're getting the car from people, which gives usually on lower rate. Why anyone should give their own car? Because they can potentially earn money. If you rent a standard car for just 1 week, you will earn 500 AZN. And for those small car rental companies existed here, they spend a lot of money just to promote themselves, making website and to be known to the audience, which is not effective for them. But by our platform, listing everything for free, they can reach a bigger audience with no cost. So how big is the market? How it works? So it's just very simple steps. You are searching, you're browsing through the results, there's a lot of filters to make, and just request from the owner. It's that easy, just 3 steps. So how big is the market? Worldwide market is $50 billion US. There are more than 10,000 small, medium, and big size rent-a-car companies. In Azerbaijan, by our calculation, the market is $30 million US. We have 80 car rental companies operating here with average 15 rents per day per each. So what's our traction? Well, we started offline operation in order to ensure the whole process because rent-a-cars makes different operations. We made just 48 hours bus rental campaign through social media, and by that we got more than 100,000 impressions, got 30 leads, and already made 5 deals. And from the lender side, because we need to get content from people, we already partnered with 6 small car rental companies, and we have 150 plus vehicles on our platform before the launch. This is 7 times more than an average rent-a-car company in Azerbaijan. So up until now, we were participated in 2 competitions where we were finalists and had been represented in international events. We launched public beta in order to get the feedbacks from people and to polish our product till June 1 when we start operations from the platform. We have till January 1, 6 months, we have key milestones to reach, and I'm going to participate at Silicon Valley, USA in the end of June at the Global Entrepreneurship Summit and Spark the Start competition. This all happens because we have a great team. We're a team of 6 people. We have 2 founders, 1 technical guy, and 1 working on business guy. And we have 2 more business guys and 2 more developers. We have combined experience of working in the following companies like BP, Metro. We have an internet coach system, and I have been executive board of Isaac in Azerbaijan and Metro. So when it comes to it's working, okay. So how we're going to make money is that we're going to take 10% commission from each rent. So if someone rents, we take 10% commission. Our go-to-market strategy is to focus on the type of vehicles which can potentially be rented on a big volume. So for B2C, for private rental, wedding is very trendy for Azerbaijan. That's why we're focusing here, and we plan to get a lot of numbers from here. For B2B, we can provide different types of vehicles. We provide bus too. That's why tour organizers really need that bus, and we can provide it in the cheaper prices for them, which is affordable. And for The next slide is okay. What comes to our competitors? For sure, there are competitors, and there are traditional car rental companies who own the car, own the vehicle. Their platform are difficult to use, and because they are owning it, they have a lot of costs there. That's why they are expensive. When it comes to very close competitors in peer-to-peer business, we have a Turo in US as a competitor. We have in Europe, Asia, and Turkey 3 competitors, which are affordable and convenient. But how we differ from them is because we are able to combine different types of vehicles in one platform, not just one car type, as these platforms provide. So we need, for 1 year, $35,000 US to ensure that our operations will go smoothly, and this is how we're going to spend our budget of 40% to give marketing to promote, especially B2C. And the second one is technical experience, because we want to create a best possible experience for a user. And for salaries, 30%. Thanks a lot. This is my contact information.